Hello students, once again I am going to teach you output method of lesson income accounting, and some questions are on based on assertion region questions. Now you can see that there are various method of lesson income accounting. The first method I want to teach you, that is value added method or output method. It is also called production method. Students, you know that value added method, in value added method, first of all, you will see that there is a you can see there is a gross value added. First, you find out gross value added at market price. The formula is value of output minus intermediate consumption. Value of output minus intermediate consumption. And when you go to find out value of output, there will be two things: sales and net stock. Net stock should be added to the sales. Sales means the unit of output, number of unit of output, and price per unit. You have to add the both, multiply both units of output and price per unit. Here, stock means inventory stock. Suppose in the previous year there is some stock left, and now the stock is remaining. So we will add the price of the new stock also. Now the intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption refers to the measurement of the value of goods and services consumed or as inputs, so such as the raw material. uh, while process of production, some things as a raw material are consumed for producing another goods. So inputs are included as the intermediate consumption. It is also the used as the calculation of intermediate consumption. So students, this is the formula you are to understand about GVA MP. This is called GVA MP. GVA MP, that is this is also called GDP MP. Understood, students? Now, the next point is, what is value of output? The money value of all the goods and services produced by a firm at a current prices, which is estimated by multiplying quantity of output with its price. Quantity number and price per unit. When we multiply both of things by the by the um, each unit of the output produced, then this will be called value of output. You can see the example also. In a cotton textile mill, the mill is producing cotton textile. 100 meters of cloth which are sold at 20 meters per meter. And if it is sold at 20 meters per meter, then the value of output will be 100 into 100 into 20. What is it? 2000. 2000 rupees will be there. So you can see here, this will be the value of output, rupees 2000. You should see here, 100 into 20 equal to 2000 rupees, you will be value of output. Students, understanding my word? Now the next point is how to find out national income through output method. This is a very important question also. Find out national income. Output method is very important. First of all, we should see that GDP MP, GVMP is similar to GDP MP, and it means that for calculating GDP, you have to first find out GVA. So you can see here all the value, here value has been given. They are they are the services, the output, which are uh, gathered at one place. Okay, in the photograph you can see which are gathered at one place and it is converted to the value, money value. And in such a way, you can find out to calculate the national income. Uh, After value of output, you can deduct the depreciation NIT from GVMP from GVMP, which earlier formula you have already studied, and you will get the net factor income from abroad. This is the important part. So in this way, you will get the national income accounting. Students, this is the important part. Means GVAMP minus GVAMP minus find out NIT, find you can say that depreciation, and then you will also add NFIA to get the national income. This is very important formula. You will see in the if you have seen the formula in the book also, this type of the formula have been given. Now the you can see the question here. How can we find out the national income through the NVAFC? Here it can see NVAFC. NVAFC means NVAFC. NVAFC. This is called NDPFC or NDPFC. You can find out that NDPFC. NDPFC. This is also called NDPFC. Students, if you are to find out NDPFC or NVFC, first of all, we are to find out GVMP. GVAMP. GVMP. And formula is that value of output minus IC. I have told you. And value of output equal to sales plus net stock. So you will find sales plus net stock minus IC. Where is sales? Sales here there 200 plus net stock. You can see that change in stock here 10 and IC, that is intermediate cost. You can see here intermediate cost 10 plus minus 90. So you will get easily what you will get 210 minus 90 equal to 200, 100. What will be there? 120. Students, am I right? 90, 210 minus 90 equal to 120. Now, you have to get the NDPFC. This is the GVMP, or you have to get NVFC. The NVAFC equal to FC equal to what will be there? GVMP MP minus, this is the MP minus depreciation. What will you get? 120 minus depreciation is given in the book. The question, depreciation. Are you seeing any part of depreciation? Sorry, not depreciation. This will be, this will be, this will be, this will be this minus NIT. Okay, MP minus NIT. Then you will get Then you will get minus NIT equal to NIT indirect tax plus subsidy. Indirect tax 1 indirect tax IT minus subsidy. Then 120 minus 12. I think subsidy is not given in the question. So you will see that here, if subsidy is not given, then you will not entertain with the subsidy. Okay, students, we will not entertain with the subsidy. So what will be there? There will be 120 minus 12 equal to 108. 108 crore. Now, you will see that here I am clarifying the subsidy because it is blur addition subsidy subsidy. Now you want to find out what NVAFC. Now it is NVFC, that is the one thing more have been left. Gross minus NIT, that is the DEP. DEP. And depreciation is depreciation has not been given. So what will be there? 0, 0. 108 crore will be answer. Depreciation has not been given in the question. So 108 will be answer. Students, you can see that here there is a question about the excise duty. Here excise duty is there. You can see excise duty. Excise duty is also tax. But if you have got already indirect tax, so you will entertain with only indirect tax, not with the excise duty. And here it has been given about the purchase of machinery. You will not entertain because already intermediate cost has been given in the question. So first of all, you will see in clearly that what used in calculating national income. I used in calculating national income the only the sales, only the sales, the intermediate cost, the indirect tax, change in stock. These only are used, and remaining has been left. So while finding out national income or the value of output or the gross value added or NVFC, anything if you are going to find out, first select which are to be added or which are to be rejected, because these are very important thinking. You have to think before solving questions which numbers are to be added. Such as here you can see here I have not added. Uh, there is no any topic about the depreciation, so we are not adding depreciation. So you can think while solving this whether depreciation will be added or not, where the depreciation will be given or not. Okay. Now next point is that what is the formula of gross value added market price? Think here, value of output minus economic consumption. This is the question earlier we have solved. And when you are going to find out national income, you will see that GDP MP minus depreciation minus NIT minus plus NFI, that is NPFC. Gross minus net equal to depreciation. Market price minus factor cost equal to indirect tax. National minus domestic equal to NFIA. Direct tax minus equal to indirect tax minus subsidy. And NFIA, this is called NFIA, 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 NFIA. This is to be find out by factor income minus factor income to abroad. So you will be careful while solving the numericals that these are very important point. These are very important point while solving the national income. Next point is that which are the precautions we are to take while calculating national income. The first point is avoid double counting. Second, include self-consumption. Third, exclude. First, think that double counting. Only include the value added by each unit. Don't go for double counting or anything. So, double counting should be avoided. Well, which things you are consuming daily, that is the price of that goods to be used. Only self-consumption goods. Exclude second-hand goods. We are not to use the second-hand goods because it is a part of double counting. Because in first hand when it was sold, the uh, money is that money already calculated with the national income. So exclude second-hand goods. It will be cause of double counting. Intermediate goods. We are not to use the intermediate goods because it will also cause the double counting. Why? Because you know that a farmer selling wheat to the floor miller selling flour to the other people. So these are the intermediate goods which are going to prepare the final goods. So the price of intermediate goods are not to be added for calculating the value of output. Now, illegal activities. Do you know illegal activities? Any crime, or you can say the drugs. Drugs trading is a kind of illegal activities. So, illegal activities, the money earned by illegal activities cannot be used for national income accounting because it is not counted. Now, the next one is include the services rendered in sales. There are two things, goods and services. Which service is rendered in sales? This service price of service is added in the national income accounting. Now include the imputed value of owner occupied house. If we are to see if there is owner occupied house, the imputed value should be added in the national income accounting. Now include the transfer payment. Exclude the transfer payment. You are to not to use the transfer payment. Transfer payment is reward, award, they are not a part of national income. First of all, listen, this is the question comes in the examination every time. The price money received through the award reward is not a part of national income accounting. Now next, exclude the capital gains. Capital gains should not be added. Capital gains from sale of old goods should not be part of national income. Sale of old goods. Don't include this. Now, including commission, if you are getting brokerage is a part of his income. So, use the brokerage for counting national income. It's a very important part. While selling of the old goods like a car, jeep, which are sold, but on selling and purchasing, brokerage are to be paid. So, this is the part of national income because this is the earning. Now, financial assets. Don't include financial assets because share, bond, these are only paper transfer. It is not a real money, real goods transfer. So that's why it is not a part of value of output counting. So you have to think about it. Next is the question. We are now come to the question point. There are some questions we have, two or three questions we have prepared to find out, like assertion region. First question is, assertion is the first question is, in the circular flow of income, households receive factor income. Households receive factor income. Is it right or wrong? You have to think because you know that household receive factor income. Factor income represents payments made to factor of production, including the wages, rent, interest, and profit. Very important. So those who are working in the factory, they are getting factor income because it is their service, rent the service, and they are also they are getting wages, rent, interest also. So the answer is that it is first point saying both assertion and reason are true. The reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third one, the assertion is true, but reason is false. Fourth one, D1, assertion is false, but reason is true. Students, first of all, think about which is true, which is false. Is the reason correct? The answer is that in the circular flow of income, households is factor income. This is the correct answer. True. This is true. And if you are going for region, then use what or why? Why? Because this is a region. Household receive factor income because factor income represents the payment made to factor of production. You are working in a factory, so you will get the wages. So this is called factor of production. So the this is the true region means the option number A is correct. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is the true answer. So, students, you will get the answer. This is the A number is point. A is correct is there. So, go for next point. See here answer. Answer both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation. Okay. Next. The next question is transfer payments are included in the circulation of national income. Students, you know that transfer payment. What is transfer payment? Do you know? Transfer payments are suppose the award, reward, uh, any scholarship. You get old age pension. These all are transfer payment. You can see that this year government of Jharkhand is paying Maya Yojana, and in elections they are assuring to give the female many free beach. So these are the transfer payment. Transfer payment are included in the national income. No, this is wrong. Second, transfer payments represent the payments made by the government to individuals without any corresponding productive activity. This is the correct answer. But since first is wrong, then it is not a correct region also. So you can see that second one is right and first one is wrong. So this option you can see both assertion and region are true. The region is correct explanation of assertion. This is wrong. Now the both assertion and region are true, but region is not the correct. This is wrong. Assertion is true, but region is false. This is wrong because assertion itself is wrong. This is wrong. Now assertion is false, region true. This is right. I think so. Okay. So you should before doing correct answer, you have to check whether it is right or wrong. Okay. So thank you. Next. This is a both assertion and region are true, but region is not the correct explanation of A. Transfer are included in the calculation of national income. No, no, this is a wrong answer given here. So this is right. Transfer payment are not included. Okay. So please check. Okay. This is the right answer. True. First one, transfer payment are not a part of national income. Think over it. And second one is right. The assertion is false, is true. Now next is This is intermediate goods are counted in the calculation of GDP. Intermediate goods are counted in the calculation of GDP. This is wrong. Intermediate goods are not counted. Intermediate goods are those used in the production of final goods and services. Yes, used. Correct answer. So assertion is wrong. Assertion is true. No, assertion is wrong. Assertion is false, but reason is true. This is not all. Students, intermediate goods are not counted. Intermediate goods are not counted. You have seen already in before that certain intermediate goods are not counted. Here it is given. Intermediate goods are not counted. Exclude. So you can see here that intermediate goods are used in production of final goods and services. Intermediate goods are counted in this calculation. No counted, not counted. So here assertion is false and reason are true. This is correct answer. Okay. This is wrong answer given here. So you will, students, you will see that these are the questions which is fruitful for you in the study process, and try to practice over again and again. Thank you.